fan grill incorporates not just the grill but also the fan itself, and the beauty of this is it allows us to cook thicker cuts of meat. So we have in our oven some pork chops, and pork chops under a regular grill would just grill from the top side but remain pink on the underside. But because in fact we've had the fan circulating the heat around the pork chops, when we turn the pork chops over, they have already started cooking. And with a meat like pork chops, they have a tendency to dry out. So this really helps to benefit the end result. What fan grill is also useful for is if you're cooking things like a fish pie or a lasagna, you've prepared it all and it just needs browning off at the end. So because we've got the grill happening from the top and we've got the fan circulating from the bottom, it helps to keep the underside of that dish warm, so cooking it completely through as well as browning the topping.